Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today we're gonna review Oxygen OS ROM for the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Right off the back you will see that it's based on the stock Android, and you will see it only has few apps installed. Even it didn't even have any camera installed or the YouTube. I manually install all those apps, and if you go to the lock screen you will see this awesome live wallpaper. So yeah, I really love this wallpaper as well, and it's pretty stable. I didn't notice any issues so far. If you have installed on your smartphone already, you can also comment down below if it has any issue at all. So right off the back, the manual camera does support. That means you can install your favorite Gcam. I already installed the Pixel Cam on this smartphone, as you can see here, and it's working perfectly. As you can see, it is based on the Oxygen OS. Security patch is even up to date. It also shows the kernel of this device, and it is Android 10, so that's pretty cool. I really like this. The only bug I have so far is the OnePlus app doesn't work. I tried using the OnePlus switch, which allow you to move the file from any other device to this device, which didn't work obviously, but I'm sure other apps works perfectly on this device. So if you go to the settings, you will see these customization options. On the display settings you can adjust the brightness here. So this would be a biggest bug of this ROM. The screen calibration didn't work, so you can't change the color of this device at all. Even if let me show you guys, even if I put it on the cool, it didn't change anything, as you can see. So yeah, screen calibration didn't work, but I don't know, I just turned on this video enhancer. I don't know if it's work or not. Since the screen calibration didn't work, I assume that this won't work as well. So yeah, in the screen lock you will able to see the security patch is up to date. It's based on the February 1 2020, which is not the latest, but I guess it's fine. Also the fingerprint works perfectly. Let me show you guys. As you can see, that's pretty cool. It did have features like smart lock and other stuff you can do with. Also you will get this ambient display feature. If you turn this on, you will able to see even if you screen lock your device, you will able to see on the up corner. It didn't work, I guess. I tried many times, I don't know why. On the status bar you can show your battery percentage, your internal speed. Also you can choose the button or gesture, whatever. I prefer gesture. So yeah, that's I guess for the review. It doesn't have many features. The thing I really like about this ROM, it has dedicated gaming mode, and if you go to the settings you can just add your games here, as you can see, and you will see this new option called Fnatic mode, which allow you to optimize your CPU, GPU and RAM as well. So if you turn this on, yeah, it block all the notification, restrict the background activity to push your game, stop the secondary sim. So I really like this feature as well, which is I really recommend to worth checking out. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to install this ROM on your device. So first, turn off your device. As well as always, press the volume key and the power up button to go to a recovery. Make sure you have custom recovery installed on your smartphone. If you don't know, you can search on the YouTube. There are thousands of videos. I'm not gonna make a video on it obviously, but I installed Orange Fox, which I really like. I prefer this one after the TWRP got crashed on this device. So all you have to do is go to the wipe all these options, system data. Do not wipe internal storage if you have anything important on it. So yeah, after you wipe the data, go to the files. Make sure you install all these 3 files. You will get link in the description to download all these 3 files. So first run this Violet MIUI fix. After you're done, just go back, run the Oxygen OS. This will take a really long time, so you make sure to wait. So yeah, it installed successfully. Now go back again and now install this disabler. So after you have all these three installed, just go to the mount and mount all of these options as well as the vendor. This is really important if you don't want to corrupt your system. So now you can just reboot to your system. Right off the back you will see this awesome Oxygen OS logo, OnePlus logo. As you can see, it looks really good. So yeah, now just wait a few minutes and we'll start the setup. Okay, so as you can see right now, you will see this setup window. All you have to do is start. I'm just gonna accept this. You have to accept this. I'm not gonna expect user experience. I don't give a fuck. Okay, gonna skip. So now it will install new updates, new security patches, which will take few minutes, so be patient. As always, if you want to copy the data from your old smartphone, you can do that here, but I'm just gonna click on no for now. Okay, so here you can sign in with your Google account. I'm gonna skip that as well. You can sign in later if you want to. It's not necessary to sign in right away. Just skip this. Okay, you can set up your fingerprint here. All you have to do is just tap on the sensor. Make sure you move your finger as well. Even if you go get these errors like fingerprint sensor is dirty, you just have to hold on to it. So I really like the OnePlus Lite. I like the app. Well, I prefer the navigation button, so I'm just gonna go with nav. Okay, I really hate every time I install ROM, I have to like practice this. I don't know why, it just makes me annoying. Like, I know how to use gestures, so I really prefer if I can skip this anyway at all. So as you can see, you will see this awesome logo here. You have to allow this, otherwise it won't work. So yeah, as you can see, it has only few apps. It didn't have YouTube or any camera. You have to manually install cameras and stuff. So yeah, it's basically stock Android with Oxygen OS. I really like this wallpaper, by the way. So yeah, that's it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.